Hey everyone, in this video we're going to check out the 2020 Jeep Gladiator that you can rent on Turo from Ford Tech. So let's check it out. One of the first things you'll notice when you check out this Jeep Gladiator is that it's sitting on a MaxTrack 4.5-inch lift, so it gives it a pretty aggressive stance. It's also attached with some BFG's 39-inch KM3 tires. So not only are you sitting up high, but you have an aggressive tread pattern that kind of gives this Gladiator a really nice aesthetic. So when you buy the Gladiator stock, it comes with these as the spares. And what we did here is basically just bought 4 of those and paint matched them to the Gladiator. Another cool little detail is the tail lights. These are Oracle tail lights, LED flush. So the stock Gladiator comes out a little bit further. These have been replaced with these Oracles. It gives it a nice finish, rounds out the end here. So it's just like the little details that matter that really make this Gladiator stand out. Below the Oracle taillights, we've replaced the stock bumper with the rugged ridge bumper, and then also upgraded the exhaust to a 2.5-inch MBPR black tip exhaust. So when you start it up, it gives it a nice little rumble. Okay, so as we make our way up to the front of the vehicle, you'll notice that we have an ARB bumper and an ARB lights as an addition to the front bumper. We do have Oracle lights, and the model is the Oculus headlights. So you have the halo ring. It looks really, really nice. And then every Jeep comes with a Warn winch, or at least it should. This is the VR10S winch. So if you're kind of deciding whether you should get a Gladiator or make some modifications to the Gladiator that you already own, and you want to kind of see how it drives, see what works for you, you should go ahead and go to Turo and rent this puppy out for the weekend and see what you think. So check out the other videos that we have on our YouTube channel. We have 2 other vehicles that you can rent, a 392 and a 4XE Jeep. So go ahead and check out those videos if you haven't already. And if you don't mind, go ahead and click that subscribe button, because we're going to be uploading more and more videos like this, builds, other things on the Ford Tech YouTube channel. So really exciting stuff coming this way. So check it out, and yeah, take it out for a weekend.